Hello, so today we'll be doing a DIY cream pasta. Before we begin, remember to like and subscribe. So a key ingredient in this dish is actually curry leaves, and this was inspired by a butter chicken dish that I had, where the curry leaves added an additional flavor profile to the dish itself. Chop chop chop! Cut some onions into thick slices, and if you would prefer, you can use a large onion which would have a sweeter taste profile. Season any meat of choice. You could use prawns, you could use pork. Here I'm using chicken, and I flavored it with some pepper, soy sauce, as well as thyme. Let's begin! Cook some spaghetti, and you would want to take it out a little before the softness that you would prefer, because we'll be cooking it a little more later. Now remove the spaghetti and rinse in cold water, and now we'll make the sauce base. Add a dollop of butter and add in the aromatics that you have chopped up earlier on, and stir fry till it's fragrant. Remember to keep stirring to prevent the butter from burning. Just keep stirring. Add in some leek if you would prefer, and season with some herbs. If you have fresh herbs, that will be even better. Pour in some cooking cream. Add in cheese of your choice. Here I'm using square cheese because I'm trying to finish the packet that's expiring in the fridge. Add milk to adjust the consistency of the sauce. You can add more milk if you would prefer it to be more watery. You can also not add milk if you would prefer. When the sauce is well combined, add the meat of choice. Stir and simmer until the meat is cooked. If you would prefer the meat to have a more char-grilled flavor, you can add in the meat before adding in the cream as well as milk. When everything is cooked, stir in the pasta and mix till well combined. Top it up with some Parmesan cheese as well as some herbs. And there you have it!